Hey guys, Alex with Havens Metal here. Looking at our caliber double bowl farmhouse sink today with some accessories in it. This is part two with this sink, checking out some of the accessories. We've got in here the professional cutting board. This is in our black polycarbonate finish. It's a very heavy duty commercial grade plastic polycarbonate. It's knife resistant, antimicrobial, 3/4 inch thick. And it's fitted to our built-in ledge, which is exclusive to the Havens line of sinks on our Legacy, our Caliber, and also our Eclipse sink. You'll notice this particular sink has a 75-25 split. I've got the drop-in strainer in my right bowl. The 1-inch divider is what separates the bowl into being a double bowl sink, of course. The drop-in strainer, I wanted to talk to everyone about this here today. This is an accessory we created to honor a multitude of uses. This is something that can be used as a place to dry dishes. It can be used to prepare in the kitchen, and it's very useful to be able to use within the confines of your kitchen sink with that built-in ledge. So I've got a little display here for you all to see. This cutting board actually butts up to the side of the drop-in strainer, comes up to the side. So say you're peeling a lemon, you're cutting up some things in the kitchen, you might want to swipe off the lemon scraps into the drop-in strainer. You know, you don't want to put those in the disposal a lot of the time, so you're cutting up the lemon, you swipe off the peel and the remains, and then you can easily get those out and put them into the trash. Also, this drop-in strainer is very useful for drying dishes. You can put some dishes in here. This one's a little wet. I'm gonna leave it in there to dry for later. Coffee mugs, wine glasses. Everything fits in the sink. The water drips down into that basin and you'll have dry dishes within just a couple hours. Thanks for checking out our video today, guys. Havensmetal.com is where you can find a lot of good information and see all of our products. Sinks, hoods, soaking tubs, everything you can imagine right on the website. Thanks for watching.